Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we're going to be decorating a vignette, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of my returning viewers, I so appreciate you. So this is a lifestyle channel and I do lots of collaborations just to help people grow as I'm growing. I do a lot of shop with me's, I do a lot of DIYs, I do a little bit of everything. And if this is something that you're interested in, then this is the channel for you. Now, if you head on over to my community tab, you're going to see the calendar of collaborations that I post monthly. Did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button and for watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. So just some quick reminders. So every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have quick and easy meals, and you don't want to miss that. It doesn't matter what it is you make, upload the video, use Meals24, and I will be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Now, every third Friday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Styling My Way. So it doesn't matter what area of your home or what item that you're using to style. It is Styling My Way, and you don't want to miss that. So I'm hosting that with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself, and Tablescapes by Candy. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. Now, the last Monday of the month, I have Cozy Corner or Vignette, and you really just don't want to miss that. You can decorate any cozy corner in any place in your home or decorate a vignette. So I cannot wait to see you there. And that's being hosted by Tablescapes by Candy and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Let's move on to the next one. So here we are at the reveal. Doesn't that look amazing? I love it. So now the last Friday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the March Madness Meat and Cheese Wood Serving Collaboration. I cannot wait to see you there, guys. These are all amazing invitations, and I invite you all to join us. So I think that this vignette came out absolutely gorgeous. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.